Alright, so in this class, we are going to learn how to insert line numberings to enable us to correct our document properly. So why you need line numbering is that most of the time, if you submit your papers for conferences or for journal publications, you may receive some comments or some corrections that you may need to do before your paper can pass through. So sometimes those corrections are easy when you have the line numbers easily attached to your document. So you can easily refer to the line number and make your corrections and report that you've made such corrections directly. So getting to the words or getting to the corrections is made easy when you have line numbers. Now, to attach line numbers to a specific document like this one, all you need is just to come over to the document, and you can come to the tools over here at the top, and you can see line numbering over here. So you can click on this and you can specify what type of line, but you have to start by show numberings, line numberings. You can have different types of numberings, okay, foot characters, page numbers, and so on. But this time around, our case is line numbering. We're after line numbering, and you can specify the format. Do you want it in 1, 2, 3, or in Roman numerals, or in ABC accordingly, like we've explained earlier? The position, you may want it at the top, or want it left or right, or inner or outer. You can specify as appropriate, but I want to keep it at default from the left side. And the spacing of the numbering, also you can specify the spacing. And if you want to have intervals, like we can have 5, 10, 15, 20, it makes the work look much more professional, and so that it doesn't look so jam-packed with numberings. And then we have the separator. You can specify all this, but I usually like to keep it at default. So once you're okay with this, you can say okay to this, and you can see right now your lines are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. So once I say line 12, you should be able to come over here and say 11, 12, and this is line 12 to add 5 number spacing. Okay, so if you want to change anything, you can as well always come back to tools, go to line numberings, and you can just change it. The spacing, you can make it 1 interval. Alright, so once you say okay to this, you can now see we have complete line numberings from 1 to 22 for this page, and subsequently you can see the line numberings directly. Okay, so it becomes very easy. Once I say the 6th word in line 44, you can just come to line 44 and just go to the 6th word, for example, and just make your edits and so on. Now, this is how to add the line numbering. In cases when you want to remove the line numbering in your document, you just decided to remove it, you can always come back to the tools again and go to line numberings, and you can just hit on the check the show numberings over here. And once you say okay to this, those your numberings are gone. You can see it's now gone. Okay, so this concludes this class about adding line numbers to your LibreOffice Writer document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.